We are going to compare how old biogas technology different from new. What are the advantages of new biogas technology, how we can utilize it for home waste management purpose. This is the one of the oldest biogas technology, which is called the water jacket model. There is a water jacket in between gas holder and the digester. So there is mosquitoes used to breed in between this water, and it was not easy to clean. This is the gas holder portion, which is made of fiber reinforced plastic, which will go up and down when the gas production is happening. This is where we put our food waste, which will goes inside the digester, and anaerobic bacteria inside the digester will convert into gas. This is the gas holder, and this is where we take gas outlet. And this is the slurry outlet where digestate will come outside through this, and we can't control it. So it will be very difficult to clean this premises. When any damage happen, it was very difficult for this plant to rectify. In order to solve all this issue, we have designed a new biodigester, which is doesn't have any problem. This is the new biodigester technology, which will convert any HDPE tank into a biodigester. We have the kit for this. This is the waste inlet where we can put the food waste with the water into it. We can close it, and we don't need it. We have a gas outlet, and whenever we need, we can close it and open it. We have the slurry outlet for organic manner. When we don't need slurry, we can close it, and by using this, we can keep this entire area clean and neat. Not like older digester. There is no mosquito problems for this digester. We have a biogas kit for HDPE tank, where we can convert any HDPE tank into a biogas plant. We are looking for dealers across the world for this technology. This is the gas storage balloon where we can store the gas for a few hours. Whenever we need, we can use it, and when we are not in the home, we can store in the balloon. So we have a technology for converting this, and we are looking for dealers. Those who are interested, you can contact the phone number or WhatsApp or email ID provided in the website. By using this technology, you can make cost-effective biogas plants. You just need to purchase a HDPE tank from your local market, and we'll supply the biogas kit where you can make any type of biogas plant using our kit.